perseverance. Oh, I want to get from Egypt to Canaan, it's not an easy way, and it's perseverance on the way. On the way to Canaan, there's a stumbling block, stones along the way. Oh, there's a river to cross. Oh, and without Moses you'll never cross the Red Sea. Oh, I want to Canada. I want to Canada. Oh, I want to Canada. I want to Canada. Oh, I want to Canada. And nowadays Moses is Christ the Lord. With Christ, He changes the impossible to possible. Oh, I want to get oh, I want to get it's not an easy way. Oh, from Egypt to Canaan, you need Christ on the way. You need a Savior. Oh, you need a protector. Oh, I want to get oh, you need Messiah, the Lion of Judah. You need the rod of Moses. Without Moses, you never cross the Red Sea. Oh, and nowadays Moses is Christ. Oh, 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 I want to Canada. 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 I want to Canada. I